Hey guys, it's me, Monkeys1025 here.
And Sonic on ball, 567.
And we're doing another game review. I think it's our third. Roblox Chronicles The Beginning. It's not that popular of a game, but it is made by Boopbot, the guy who made Kingdom Life, creator of Kingdom Life. So we're going to go ahead into a new game. Over like this one. And it's a really well-scripted game. It takes you into this whole create a character game. So you have all of these. I'm going to go with Elf, actually. Face, you have all of these. I'm going to go with my favorite one. Oh, no. Right here. Hair. You have all those. I'm going to go with... Oh, where'd it go? Right here. There's all these other colors. I'm actually going to do this. I don't normally do this often.
I don't have a sword. I think sword now.
I can hardly hear you over the music, Ryan. Like, shout. Let's see. We're going to give ourselves a little green here.
Once you get out of there, I think the music stops.
Alright, hopefully. And then you have all these. The sword. These go by your weapon. I'm going to go by Archer. Uses a bow and arrows to take down enemies. Weapons, long bow. Advancements, crossbowman, ranger. I also really like the beast tamer. Next, you choose your name. If you do that, it'll show up there. And then we have Sir Gracie the Third. But we're not doing that. I'm going to go with Destiny Elf. Hehe. So it is a well-scripted game, and finished. And there is Ryan.
Little bird! I can fly! I can fly!
Ryan, what is wrong with you?
I'm a black guy with an afro. Don't judge. And wings.
Alright. You're actually a bird. Alright, let's go.
I don't even have a sword, and I'm a swordsman.
No, you have to get your weapon from the bag button.
Where's the bag button?
You hit the little first button. Here's all your options, and you double click the thing. So
that's why I was so mad last recording.
Here's my weapon. And die.
Yeah.
Die. Die, slime. Oh no, it's getting me. How am I missing in the... This is the tutorial.
You left me.
Alright, as you can see, we're not very good at this game. Over here is the...
I killed it.
Over here...
I'm freaking amazing. I killed a slime.
Over here's the design your character. You get a lot more throughout the way. No. I think that... No, it goes in your inventory. You can buy more items. This is a chat bubble where you chat with people on the game, and they can all see it. There's private messaging. Yeah, private messaging too.
I killed two more.
What is this? This is your quests, your abilities.
Oh my gosh, look at my wings. Look at my wings when I swing.
Oh my gosh. Your statics, and this is what you use to save. I'm gonna save this one over my other one. And then we go to the castle. It's a very scripted game. Ryan, your name.
It's freaking amazing. Don't judge what any person can do if they can name their name on Roblox. Get quests from the Guildmaster. The beginning.
Yes.
He's looking at me.
It's good that you're learning to become a true warrior. Goodbye. Oh yeah, you want to see how much script this game has into it? Over here. I just love this game.
Yeah, you can start a conga line.
Over here, this guy is playing the guitar. Look, his arm is moving. Oh, so the arm stops moving when I show it.
It's a conga line.
I swear the arm moves.
Get in the freaking conga line.
Ryan, the one time I want to show the arm moving on a video, the arm's not moving.
Yeah, it is.
Not on my screen.
Talk to Bard. Who are you?
Hey, look, people.
He's Grammy one. Oh, I don't like your music. Peck, peck, peck.
Oh, his arm is moving.
Your arm is moving.
All right, come down here. We're gonna show them the slimes.
Whee!
Down here is for where the beginners go, the sewer, to kill.
What I do hate about this place is that it's all details.
Oh yeah, but
There's no actual build.
since this is a game review, I'm gonna start talking more about reviewing. I love this game. I love it. Except I just died from a slime. I have never died from a slime before.
You are a slime.
Alright. Load game. Right here.
Aha, I killed the slime that killed you.
Listen up, dude. Give me a quest right now.
I found
The beginning.
Where you go?
The beginning. You're awake. We've better get started on your training. Find your battle master. They should be in the training hall outside the left.
I'm dead.
Alright, I'm gonna leave this guy. And right here is our no, that's not our quest. Right here. Here's our quest. And
I am the quest.
find your battle master in the training hall. When I first played this, I'm like, where's the training hall? Everyone's like, really? So I felt so stupid. I haven't played this in forever, so
Where is the training hall?
I haven't played this in forever. Let me find it. Oh, I see it. It's down here. It's this big little building that says dummy near it. Because there's a dummy inside of there.
Dummy, 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 dummy.
See, look. It's the dummy. Alright.
You're the dummy.
Get in here, Ryan. Get in. Oh my gosh. So this is where our quest is complete. You have skilled destiny. I will train you, but you must prove yourself worthy. Goodbye. How do I prove myself worthy? I'm just going to kill some dummies in here because I can't even kill a slime.
What does this say? Yes.
Dummy, level 1. I'm probably level 0 right now. I'm a high level on one of my recent people. Alright, I'm a sharpshooter right now. Am I? Die!
Not doing any damage to this one.
You gotta kill this one.
Nice. I do 9 damage, you only do 7.
This bow sucks. Why am I invisible? Alright, as you can see, this game is real laggy.
You're real laggy. Oh! Don't judge.
We were all waiting for it.
Where do we go?
Alright, let's go kill some slimes because we suck at that. So, rating this...
And what about this guy, Sir Thomas? Yes.
So, rating this game... What?
The first thing I see in Sir Thomas is him stating my name, and it says... like, what are you trying to say? I'm like, oh, wait.
Alright, so rating this game, Ryan, what would you rate it? Good, bad, medium?
Bad.
Hey, it's better than climb 20,000 stairs.
It's still bad. I mean, it's well scripted. There's a lot of pros, but the building's terrible. It would be good once it's finished, but it's nowhere near finished, and it's really terrible right now. There's no other place besides level 1. What happens again when you get level 20? It's to kill everything.
No, there's other places. There's other places. I'm gonna go kill some rats.
I know, but seriously, like, right now, like, as I walk down, all I see is details. Like, this is poorly built.
I'm cheating. Oh no! He fixed the thing where you stand on the bridge and they couldn't jump up. The slime just jumped up. He fixed my little cheat. I'm actually gonna go on one of my recent persons because I'm on level 5.
This is really poorly built. Like, it's well scripted, but poorly built. That's what I hate. I like well-built games that look good. You can buy pets. Ooh.
Alright, so I'm going on one of my recent quests.
There's a pet shop that you can't friggin' enter.
Huh? I know you can't enter all the buildings on here.
There's a cellar with nothing in it. Open chest. Yes. Ooh. I found 30 freaking coins.
Alright, now this won't work.
This is such a cheap thing. You find 50 arrows in a chest. That's a lot of arrows.
Ryan, I need help. I'm spinning around the tree and it won't let me play.
There's a cheat. I found a cheat.
Wait, it won't let me play. I'm circling a tree.
I found a cheat.
You know what? I rate this game better than Climb 20,000 Stairs, but I do not rate it better than Sword Fighting Tournament. Because Sword Fighting Tournament lets me play. Hey look, it's a little guitar guy.
It's level 8 thing, and then I died.
Alright, so we're going to have to end this here because I'm stuck circling a tree right now. Ryan, wait, come by the tree. Come by the tree.
I'm coming to the tree.
Alright, so now say bye.
Bye.
Goodbye. Wait, what do you rate this? Good or bad? I rate this medium.
I rate this bad.
I rate this medium. Alright, bye.